Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina, I am your host. We're going to do a quick comparison of the reclining infant car seats that are on the market. So we're going to be talking about the CYBEX Cloud G Pro, the CYBEX Cloud T, and a personal favorite of mine, the Peg Perego Lounge. If you haven't yet, now would be a perfect time to hit like, subscribe to this channel, get notified when we drop new videos, and if you want to show your support for this channel in the most meaningful way, the best thing you can do is head on over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. We are a real brick and mortar store here in the greater San Francisco Bay Area. We can ship anything right to your home. And even if you're not necessarily interested in car seats, we have everything best for baby up through toddler and in some cases even older children. Toys, books, games, feeding, bath, clothing, strollers, car seats, furniture, whatever you need, mattresses, name it, we have it. All right, thank you so much for watching. Commercials over. Let's launch into the battle of the reclining infant car seats. All right, friends, so here we are with the 3 reclining infant car seats on the market. So all 3 of these seats are infant car seats, which means they are exclusively rear-facing. They are all portable. They will all snap onto a pretty broad variety of strollers, and they all come with one base, and all of them have the opportunity to buy a second or third base for other vehicles sold separately. So pretty similar in some respects. They will all start at a 4-pound weight. The CYBEX seats are going to go all the way up to 32 pounds, whereas our Peg Perego is actually going to go up to 35, and they will all hold a 32 standing inch tall child. So the seats should work for across the board at least the first year of baby's life. And then you would most likely purchase a different convertible or all-in-one car seat around their first birthday. Now, let's talk about pricing. So Peg Perego, which is this blue guy over here on the very end, this seat is going to be our most cost-effective of the 3. This seat is going to be $439. Ascending in price, we come here to the tan seat. This is the CYBEX Cloud G Pro. This seat is going to be $599. Now, this gray seat over here on the end, this guy's going to be the most expensive. This is the CYBEX Cloud T, and this seat is going to run you $650. So what are we getting that's going to be different from these seats at these different price points? Well, I'll be honest, I definitely think the strongest value of the 3 is going to be Peg Perego, but that doesn't mean that there still isn't some really cool stuff about CYBEX, so we will talk about that. But Peg at $439 will give you a 7-year expiration on the seat, and that is from date of purchase. That's not from date of manufacture. So if we talk about expiration on either one of these CYBEX car seats, it is a 6-year expiration for these seats, but it's going to be from date of manufacture versus Peg Perego is going to be date of purchase. So something to consider there. Here you get an additional year, plus you get any of that extra padding time that you not from manufacturer to purchase. So it's a little bit longer with the Peg Perego. Additionally, at the $439 price point, this seat is made in Italy. Very, very cool. The other 2 seats are going to be made in China. Again, there is a bunch of fabulous stuff that comes out of China. It's not a point to be negative, but it's just something very exciting about the Peg. And also with tariffs, that did keep the cost down on this guy versus the other ones being more expensive. So some things there just to consider as far as pricing. Additionally, the Lounge is going to have the longest warranty of the 3 options. So if you were to buy a Peg Perego Lounge from destinationbabykids.com, you will get a 5-year warranty on the car seat. Now, if you go off to Amazon to buy it on Amazon, you're only going to get a 2-year warranty. So we would really want to strongly encourage you to buy a Peg Perego from an independent store, an independent business that sells them, like destinationbabykids.com, because you will be able to utilize that longer warranty, which is 5 years versus the 2 years that they offer from big box merchants. Now, on CYBEX, your standard warranty on these car seats is going to be 2 years. No opportunity here for a 5-year warranty, which is totally fine, but just something to be aware of in this higher price point, offering a smaller warranty than what you would get from Peg Perego buying it from destinationbabykids.com. Now, something else that's a little bit interesting about the Peg infant seat is that I would argue it's a physically larger seat interior than what you get with CYBEX. So all 3 of these seats, as you can see, come with infant padding, which is great. On the CYBEX, they come out after 11 pounds. Peg Perego, the different stages come out at different weights, and that is in the book. Unfortunately, I don't have that information off the top of my head, but I'll leave it in the comments below. I'm going to remove the infant padding from the navy seat. I'm also going to remove it from the seat, the Cloud G Pro, immediately adjacent to the Peg, just because I think you'll be able to see it in Cloud G Pro better than Cloud T because of the coloring. Now, when I say it's a larger seat, it's a wider seat interior on Peg Perego than what you get on either one of these CYBEX. So for the CYBEX, the interior dimension is the 8.5 inches on these two. On Peg Perego, your interior dimension is 9.5 inches. All three of these seats have a 12-inch seated torso harness height, and all three of these seats have a 20-inch backrest or shell. The two CYBEX seats have 11.5 inches of leg space from top to bottom, and here on Peg Perego, it is an inch longer, so you get 12.5 inches of that leg space. All three seats will have CYBEX has a 4-inch crotch depth for their car seat, and then Peg has 5 inches. So it's a little bit more generous in the seated area as well, not being so tight on that larger child's body. So for $439, we're getting a lot of value here. I would also argue you do get a better sunshade, more coverage than you get with either one of these guys. The other thing that I think is interesting is that Peg's texture on the material, flame retardant free. It's also going to be fresco jersey, so it's very, very soft to the touch. There is small perforations in it to help keep it breathable. And all three of these seats on the backrest have holes in the plastic for perforation for breathing. Your CYBEX seats also have perforated fabric. They are flame retardant free. The CYBEX seats are Green Guard Gold certified. I'm not sure if the Peg Perego one is. Now, of these three seats, I know this middle one from CYBEX is FMVSS 213B certified. I know for sure that the Cloud T is not. I will double check on the Peg and leave it in the comments for you guys. But all three seats, the reason why this comes up is all three seats have like a side impact protection. So on CYBEX, it's called a linear side impact protection, where you get these Dumbo wings that pull out from the side of the seat that you would engage with whatever side is nearest to the door. Peg Perego is also going to have a similar feature, but instead of it popping out like a wing, it's going to screw out. It's called a kinetic pod, and they have this feature. And again, you would only utilize it on the side nearest the door. All three of these seats with their bases come with an anti-rebound bar and a stability load leg. A difference on the CYBEX base is going to be the CYBEX base utilizes a rigid latch, and the Peg Perego utilizes a soft latch. So a little difference there. And all three of these seats you can install baseless with a seatbelt, and all three would utilize the European seat belt routing method. Now, weights. This is what was also interesting. Peg Perego Lounge is the lightest weight of the three. So this is 12 pounds, 10 ounces with all of the crap in it when I put it on the postage scale. This Cloud G Pro is 12 pounds, 11 ounces when I put it on my postage scale with all of the material on it. Cloud T is going to be 12 pounds, 14 ounces. So it's the heaviest of the three. The reasoning for this is that the Cloud T has the deepest recline of all three seats. So I did measure the recline on all three seats with a protractor. Your lounge will go from 100 degrees starting to 130. So that's pretty good. Cloud G is going to go more. Cloud G starts at about 95 and it goes to 135. Or excuse me, it starts at 90 degrees and then it goes to 135 degrees of recline, which is very deep, but your Cloud T will give you the most recline. So Cloud T is gonna go from 90 degrees all the way to 140. So just to kind of demonstrate for you folks on camera, I'll do my best to show this quickly. Our Peg seat recline is the least deep, but it's still, with a doll in there, very clear to see that it does open up the body pretty nicely. And that's for use on stroller or on the floor, but definitely not in the car. none of these will even click into their bases if you have them in recline mode. Now, if we go to Cloud G, this is going to be deeper. This one's 5 degrees deeper. Now, it does start more upright as well. So it starts more upright and it goes a little bit deeper than Peg, so that's going to look more like impressive on camera for sure. But it's only a 5 degree deeper recline than what you get with Peg. And then CYBEX Cloud T, if you want your most recline, you will get it from the seat, and I would argue it's like incredibly impressive, especially to see on a stroller. That is going to look like that. So that is like super flat. Pretty awesome choice. So hopefully that will answer questions about all 3 of those car seats. If you have questions or you have comments, want to check out the colors, head over to destinationbabykids.com or leave a comment below. Happy to do my best to answer them for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully we will see you in our next video.